So hello, can you please introduce yourself first?
Yes, sir. So, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am Obijit Ghosh and I am from Kolani, Noida. And currently, I am pursuing Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering from Bengal College of Engineering and Technology. And currently, I am in my 8th semester. I have got 8.67 in my previous semester, and I have completed my higher secondary education from Shikarpur Vivekananda High School, and I have got 80.40 percentage in my higher secondary, and I have completed my secondary education with the same school, and I have got 82 percentage. Let's talk about my technical skill. I am proficient in Java and AWS, and I am certified AWS cloud practitioner, and I have make a project in AWS cloud, which is like how can we handle a real time traffic and web optimization using AWS based system. And thank you. That's all about.
Okay, so you just mentioned that you have built some project on AWS. So can you please explain me that
Yes,
project?
sir. Yes, sir. Basically, basically the problem statement is if we have a web server and the web server capacity is 1,000, then if 10,000 people if one want to access this server, then it will again crash and crash. So to solve this issue, I have created a AWS based architecture which is generally handle this issue, and it will create new server based on the traffic. And I have used to make this project uh, various type of AWS services such as AWS EC2, which is used to create virtual servers, AWS auto scaling system, which is used to create the dynamic EC2 instance, and I have used ELB, which is basically the load balancer, how we divide the load between different type of servers, and I have used CloudWatch for the monitoring purpose, how the traffic is going on in our server. So yeah,
Okay, so you have a big project on cloud technology. Can you explain what actually it is?
yes sir.
Yeah.
Basically, it is a design. It is a architecture, AWS based architecture, which is used to handle the real time traffic. And as an example, we have a server which is basically like we have a server and we host a we host a e-commerce website, and you want to give a sale, and your server capacity is 1,000 people, means 1,000 people can access your server in real time. And if the your sale is spread away, and if 1 lakh people want to access your server, then what happen, your business loss will be happen, and no one can access your website because 1 lakh people want to access your server. So that's why I have used this cloud project.
Okay, so
How can we handle?
yeah, so
Yeah,
how are you how are you able to manage these things? Can you
yeah.
explain?
So yeah, basically I have used different type of AWS services to manage this. First of all, I have used to create. I have to create the virtual server. That's why I have used Amazon EC2, which is basically the Elastic Compute Service, and we can create the virtual server within few minutes. Actually, within few minutes. Okay. So as much as we can create the virtual server, and we have to pay what we use. The main principle of the EC2 service or all the cloud service, and then we created the server. Then we have balancing the load. Balancing the load means we have two servers, okay, and if 1,000 people want to access your website, and server A and server B, server A has already accessing the 700 people, okay. So if the rest will be shifted to the server B, so this is the principle of the load balancer, how we balance the load. That's why there is a service called ELB, Elastic Load Balancer, in AWS. So I have used this for the load balancer purpose.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Yeah. So can you explain PaaS, platform as a service?
Yes, a platform as a service basically in network in like platform as a service we can't need to purchase the hardware system, also the operating system. All will maintained by our cloud vendor. Cloud vendor means like the AWS service, the Google services. Okay, this is the platform as a service, and developer can access this service basically for the run the program, the test the program, run their application in this purpose. Hello.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
what is infrastructure as a service?
Infrastructure as a service means we did not we don't need to purchase the hardware services, and hardware services will be purchased by the AWS vendor or the cloud vendor. We have to need the other services like the like operating system. We have to maintain the operating system. We have to maintain the application. So this is the example of the infrastructure as a service. As an example, Amazon Web Service is the infrastructure as a service
Okay.
because they rent the virtual server to us.
Yeah. Uh, what is a database?
Database means where we stored our data. This is called the database.
Okay. What is this difference between file system and a database management system?
Basically, file system is a traditional way how we can use how we can store the data. But the what is the question? File system versus
Database management system.
database DBMS. So DBMS is and DBMS is stored as a file like DBMS is more faster than the file system, and it is also there is an index called index, and we can access the data with the help of the index. So this is more optimized way, and DBMS provide us security, but file system did not provide us the security,
What is
and
indexing
this
in
is more faster
DBMS?
than the file system.
Yeah. What is indexing in DBMS?
Basically, indexing means
First of all, tell me how many types of index are there in DBMS?
sorry sir, I don't know, I have to check it.
Okay. You don't know? Okay, no problem.
No, I forgot about it.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Can you please explain me what is denormalization in DBMS?
Okay, so denomination means how we like denomination means the query optimization. We have if we have two tables, and we want if we have a two tables and two table is connected with each other. Okay, so and if we want to perform a task, then we have to manage a query based on the joins. But in denormalization technique, we will add the content of two tables in a single table, and we can easily use the simple query to perform any task.
Okay. What is full form of BCNF?
BCNF means voice code normal form.
Okay. What are the condition to be a table in a BCNF?
So basically, it should satisfy the 3NF,
Yeah.
and if one non-prime is depend on another non-prime, like A implying on B, then A should be the super key. This is the condition.
A should be the super key.
Yeah, at the content of like the row of A must be the unique, then it will be the super key.
Super key or a candidate key?
No, super key.
Are you sure?
Yes sir.
Okay. What is the candidate key?
Candidate key is how we uniquely identified a row, and it will be also null.
Uniquely identifies the row. Okay. And
Yeah,
what is
yeah.
primary key?
Primary key means it will also uniquely identify each row, but the thing is it will not null.
Okay. And candidate key can be null.
the like yeah, it will and in a table primary key should be one in a table, like one attribute should be primary key in a table, but candidate key can be multiple attribute
Okay.
in a table.
Are you sure? We can't create a primary key by two attributes, by connecting two attributes or merging two attributes.
Like sir, I can't understand the question, can you repeat?
Yeah, you just said that candidate key is a single attribute, or it can be multi-valued, and primary key
No,
can be
like
yeah.
hmm, candidate key is candidate can be multiple column can be candidate key,
Yeah.
but primary key should be only one column
Yeah.
in
Okay.
a table.
Okay. What is the concept of foreign key?
Foreign key means uh, okay, 1 minute.
Okay. No.
So basically, it will identify a primary key of another table. Basically, it will like if we have a table and we have a candidate key, and it will the primary key of another table. This is the concept of foreign key.
Okay. Uh, can you explain the three-tier architecture of DBMS?
Yeah. So basically, there is three-tier architecture. The first level is view level, then business layer level or logical level, and third one is database level. Though in first layer, view level is used to interact with the customers or the clients, and business layer or the logical layer is used to logically perform any task.
Okay.
And how we can fetch the data from the database. The all the logic should be written in the logical layer, and database is stored the data.
Okay. So I am giving you a problem statement. You have to write a SQL query for that. Okay.
Yes.
Suppose you have basically given a table, employee table that basically consists of multiple columns. But
Okay.
the one column that I need is employee name, in which the name of the employee will be there. So what you have to do is you have to get the distinct value of the employees and only the three letters of the employee name.
Okay.
Have you understood the question?
Yeah.
Yeah. So write
So
this.
like we have to find the employee name with the three character, right?
No, not three character. Suppose what is your name? Your name is Abhijit and my name is Aman.
Yeah.
So suppose there are two tables, sorry, two
Yeah.
rows in the table. So these are the unique values, Aman and Abhijit. So the output will be Aman, and for that, the output will be AMA only. And for your name, it will be ABH. So only three letters I need
Okay.
of each name, and it should be distinct. So suppose there are two Aman in the table, so I need only one.
Okay.
Write a script query. Write it anywhere and just paste it in comment box.
Yes, I'm thinking about it.
Yeah, okay. Take your time.
Yes. So is there any condition we have to give in where condition, or I have to print only the name?
No, only name.
Okay.
The three letters of the name.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. I saw that. Okay. Can you please tell me what is the difference between array and linked list?
Yes, sir. Basically, array is first of all we have to declare array in a fixed size, but linked list is dynamic. Of we can make linked list as dynamic size, and the searching operation is more faster in array. And if we want to add element in the middle of the linked list, then it will be so easy. But if we want to add a mid element in the array, it will be very difficult to add the element in the middle. So these are the differences.
Okay.
And array uses the contiguous memory, but linked list uses the uh, like uh, random memory. It create randomly created node in anywhere in the memory.
Okay. Linked list is a linear data structure or not?
Yeah, linked list and array both are linear data structure.
Okay. Great. Okay. You use Java for the coding.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write a Java code to get a middle value of the linked list. I am giving you some input values. You have to find the middle of the linked list. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm writing it in comment box.
So I have to create only the function or the whole code.
Just write the function.
Oh,
Yeah. So if the size will be odd, you have to get the mid element, and if the size is even, you have to get the. In that case, there will be two mid element. You have to return the first one. Got the point?
yeah.
Yeah. Just share your screen.
Oh, can first of all the my can I share my approach, sir?
Sorry.
Can I share my approach?
Yeah.
First approach.
Yeah.
So first of all, I can go with every node in the linked list. Okay, and like I have to need the size of the linked list, and I will go in the n by two time in the linked list, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So five size, and we'll go 1, 2, 3, like half 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay, but to optimize this, I can use two pointer. One is fast pointer and one is slow pointer. And fast pointer will go one step. Okay. Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah. Sorry. Your network, I think, is not good. Wait for some time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can start now. The approach about
And
fast and slow pointer.
yeah. first of all, we have to create the slow pointer, and both are
Okay, and
looks good.
what will be the time complexity of this code?
Okay. Uh, so it should be log. It should be n, O of n.
Are you sure?
Basically, if we have an array 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically, we always go the half time of the n time. So O of n by 2 should be the answer,
Yeah.
but it will be indirectly the O of
Yeah.
n.
Okay, great. I'm done with your interview. So you can just to stop your screen sharing,
Yes, sir.
and you can ask if you have any question for me.
Yeah, sir. Can you give some feedback and how can I improve myself?
Yeah. So your feedback is good. We have done good performance. Your confidence is good also, and just try to make an eye contact and keep a smile on your face. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
and you are prepared. You are definitely going to crack it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Like, sir, cloud project will be help me for like
yeah, definitely.
I will interview for the digital.
Yeah, definitely. If you would just if you will just explain that that cloud project to them, they will be
Yeah.
impressed. Yeah, because they
Oh,
want the people in digital who have the knowledge of latest technology like cloud, IoT, and AI, email, that kind of things.
but
Okay.
sir, like you showed my resume.
Yeah.
So can I add my achievement section? Like can can we add like different type of things like I have 5+ yeah, article in the GFG. Okay, I can't write it, and I have also solved the 200 plus lead code problem.
Yeah.
So should I write or not?
There is no need to write because there is also no space left. But
Yeah.
overall, your project is sorry, your resume is good, clean and concise. So just no
Yeah.
need to add anything. Just keep it simple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you
Yeah.
very much.
Thank you. Bye bye.